We are going to take a look at a rare Scotchman 350NF PD semi-automatic double-end cutoff and miter cold saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a very rare Scotchman double-end miter saw that is in excellent condition. It's 3.25 horsepower dual speed motors. Yes, you heard that correctly. High-low dual speed motors are mated to 350mm blades. The blade actuation is pneumatic with hydraulic dampeners for smoother cuts. They can miter up to 30 degrees in either direction with 8-foot, 8-inch centers at 90 degrees. You will also find a 1-gallon coolant tank with mist lubrication systems, a large coolant tray, digital readout for the right head that moves, a center material support stand, dual pair of swiveling pneumatic hold downs, and accurate setting stops at 45 degrees left, straight 90 degrees, and 45 degrees right.